Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the Vulcan Report. I'm going to make this very short and very quick. Looking at the euro dollar real quick. Based on Monday's trading, in the past 10 bars now, there have been 6 white up candles and 3 black down candles for a net of 3 white up candles. During the past 50 bars, there have been 26 white up candles and 22 black down candles for a net of 4 white up candles. Important thing to note is as of Monday's trading, we have a spinning top that occurred. A spinning top is a candle with a small real body. Spinning tops identify a session in which there is little price action as defined by the difference between the open and the close. During a rally or near new highs, a spinning top can be a sign that prices are losing momentum and the bulls may be in trouble. Moving over to the swing index, currently the market pulse is negative since it's trading below its signal line, and the pulse scan crossed above the swing VIX as of Monday. We're looking at possibility of a potential breakout or breakdown as the ranges begin to contract. So we have a breakout long and a breakdown short. We're going to be watching to get long at 91 even with an initial profit target of 93.07 and a stop and reverse at 88.83. We also are going to be looking for a possible breakdown, looking to get short at 87.16, initial profit target 84.16 with a stop and reverse at 91.14. So that's what we're going to be looking for in the overnight into tomorrow's trading. We like to put these trades on here during the overnight so that if they get triggered while we're sleeping, we can make money by the time we wake up in the following morning. So moving right along. Okay, moving right along to the euro. As far as the euro is concerned, in the past 10 bars there have been 5 white up candles and 4 black down candles for a net of 1 white up candle. During the past 50 bars there have been 20 white up candles and 29 black down candles for a net of 9 black down candles. Moving over to the swing VIX, currently the market pulse is negative since it's trading below its signal line. The pulse scan crossed above the swing VIX 1 period ago. As far as entry points, pretty much the same thing as with the Australian dollar. The only difference with the euro currency is that we're looking at a possible entering into what is called a second wave, and in this second wave it's either going to be potentially powerful to the upside or the downside. The ranges, we're going to need to wait for them to contract more, but nevertheless we still have price levels that we're watching. We're looking for that second channel breakout to occur at 134.14. Initial profit target will be 135.19 with a stop and reverse at 127.38. On the downside, looking for breakouts below 125.23 with an initial profit target of 123.83 and a stop and reverse at 131.64. The trend channel is up. This means that positive momentum is entering the market, so we expect sideways to higher prices within the next 3 to 5 days. The last signal that we had was an oversold buy 65 periods ago. The swing VIX does not currently show any failure swings, and the swing VIX and price are not diverging. Since the swing VIX crossed its moving average, the euro currency's price has increased to 0.68% and has ranged from a high of 130.93 to a low of 127.60. Currently the trend is pointing down and the market condition is very bearish. We're trading below the long-term, intermediate, and short-term moving averages. We expect that volatility will continue to be an issue. The euro currency closed above the lower band by 29.2%, leaving us 123.23% wider than normal, so we're expecting contraction here. The large width of the band suggests high volatility as compared to the euro's normal range. Therefore, the probability of volatility decreasing and prices entering or remaining in a trading range has increased for the near term. The bands have been in this wide range now for 6 periods. The probability of prices consolidating into a less volatile trading range increases the longer the bands remain in this wide range. Okay, now moving over to the dollar yen. During the past 10 bars, there have been 6 white up candles and 3 black down candles for a net of 3 white up candles. During the past 50 bars, there have been 30 white up candles and 16 black down candles for a net of 14 white up candles. We have a spinning top which occurred. A spinning top is a candle with a small real body. Spinning tops identify a session in which there is little price action as defined by the difference between the open and the close. During a rally or near new highs, a spinning top can be a sign that prices are losing momentum and the bulls may be in trouble. Moving over to the swing index of the dollar yen, currently the market pulse is positive since it's trading above its signal line. The pulse scan crossed below the swing VIX 4 periods ago. We'll be watching for a possible breakout or breakdown. Looking to go long at 94.98 with an initial target of 96.26 and a stop and reverse at 91.26. Also looking for the breakdown short at 88.23. On this one, we're going to let the profits run. No initial target, but we will put a stop and reverse at 93.98. The trend channel is down. This means that negative momentum is entering the market, so we expect sideways to lower prices within the next 3 to 5 days. The last signal that we received in the swing VIX was an overbought sell 4 periods ago. The swing VIX does not currently show any failure swings, and the swing VIX and price are not diverging. Since the swing VIX crossed its moving average, the dollar yen's price has increased 1.72% in its range from a high of 93.87 to a low of 88.23. Currently the trend is up and the market condition is bullish. It's trading above the long-term, intermediate, and short-term moving averages. As far as volatility, we closed above the lower band by 44.9%, and that leaves us 35.99% wider than normal. So as we begin to experience more consolidation, we expect that will lend some more credibility to the breakout or breakdown. So we'll be watching this one very closely as well. Finally, moving on to the Swiss franc.